Hi there. We would like to appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing and commenting on all our videos. We wouldn't have been here without you. Keep watching Eagle Eye Angle. We are the best.
And today we are here to celebrate the Easter with you guys, to celebrate the Easter with all members. So guys, without wasting my time, I would like to show you how the Easter is going to go on Kwahu, because you all know that it's Kwahu that we celebrate Easter. So Eagle Eye Angle, we are here for you guys to know and see how Kwahu people celebrate their Easter. It's very amazing. Fine girl, but you're good evening.
Good evening.
But you're home to sing. But you're a career shimmy and a channel out here. We do the Eagle Eye Angle. We are back, Hanum. See, you know, you do Easter. So maybe I say, I feel Easter, corner say.
Oh, maybe the thing we are saying for the thing and you want to say for now. I asked one could be. Home is utmost and not to stand. The thing with the tight, the beer than up on so. Never gone to your leg. The beer than up on so. If you are the corner so forever, and then so into Atokakra. It's yes, yeah, my coffee. So now you have to say, Bopa, and what I say, a fully a good year.
But I hope so. That's not how to catch. Well, share for now. I have banana. You go woman. I saw back.
Oh, so I met now observation here and say, Kakra Eva. Now if I can no more for Kakra, now if I can no more for yeah.
Oh, in the name of okay. Nice. So I was watching other people with you. Definitely love to. But you make our say. So anyway, sorry. If you can Eagle Eye Angle, subscribe. Eagle Eye Angle, subscribe. Good evening.
Easy.
But you're not going to say.
I do.
But you're maybe sorry.
I can feel comfort.
Comfort. Wow. No, I can't see the comfort. But you went to be a but I'm a self channel here, a friend of Eagle Eye Angle. Now, your bar see any minute about the Easter fair. And but you're not say, we are for me, I will feel for you, I will feel for you. I usually say Easter will be a road, you know what it is.
Oh, that be sure that in the Easter in Savimania for the commercial and the year by.
And the matter said, you buy a party when you have a good Easter.
Okay, many of who be there.
I'm going to say.
Okay, sir, a good say, and that is the year. We say, get your cheap. I'm going to have a deal many. And then I said, I fear the immediate year. You do home never push ya. I put your book, I wouldn't know, and I'm waiting now. Would you be who know? Just a few watching up for that, or my follow before now.
I'm going to follow on the pedal. I'm going to follow your number for your wife. Bye.
Now, we say, I can't say.
And you didn't say I did Christmas, no. I say, Kwahu, so I've shown you every Christmas now. There's someone walk on to a control me now, baby. And I see a Christmas, yeah. Who are winning in the pride and I'm instant 20. Who was your news so high? When you win the dance again, I'm instant 20. Would it be who?
So walk my way to tell every sister the wife and among my unit to say, oh,
I'm going for Papa. Fiona Panel, oh, my Papa. Then I feel standing there, you said one for the baptise. It was already less than I was saying, and then
that's a good show. Okay, much of that is all in Casa. Yeah, much of my good evening. I'm going to say, oh, the rest of the serious, what you move your answer. This time you was serious. Yeah, so we are calling you. We are calling you. It's a buy. Okay, it's what you saw. Oh, it's time you didn't say.
Yeah, it's steady a pan and for food here. And then the little pounds, you never make it.
So, we did this last year now. Until last year, any this year, behind and for
this year, it's last year.
So, you know, I'm on my then I'll be catching so
I'm run around here.
So,
yeah,
it's no who up on the show.
I remember so much now, 3 days.
Right, so one will be out there. That's all I'm but in the process, pushing out the palm wall. Okay, we don't have comment to be never pay the one. Right. Okay. Hello, welcome back to Audio Eye Angle. Today we are here in Tafo to celebrate the Easter with Kwahu members. And we all know that it's only Kwahu that will celebrate Easter. So today, Audio Eye Angle, we are here live to celebrate the Easter with Kwahu members. So guys, without wasting my time, I have more videos, we have more things to show you. So my viewers, don't forget to subscribe Audio Eye Angle. We are here to let you see or to let you know how they celebrate their Kwahu Easter. So guys, stay right and I will be back soon.
Hi there. We would like to appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing and commenting on all our videos. We wouldn't have been here without you. Keep watching Eagle Eye Angle. We are the best.